throughout the region.
This has been the weekly tone alert test on the weather radio. All hazard stations, KIH24 in Sault Ste. Marie, KIH83 in Alpena, KIH22 in Traverse City, WWF 70 in Gaylord, KXI33 in West Branch, and WNG 572 in Petoskey. This week is Severe Weather Awareness Week, and this will continue through Saturday, March 23rd. We want to remind residents that severe weather season is approaching. This includes tornadoes, flooding, high winds, and large hail and other severe weather that could disrupt our daily lives. Everyone should at least review your severe weather plan during Severe Weather Awareness Week. Disasters don't plan ahead, but you can. If this alert has been for an actual tornado warning or severe weather severe thunderstorm warning, you would have been instructed to seek safe shelter immediately. Additional Severe Weather Awareness Week and safety information can be found at www.weather.gov. This concludes this test. Now we return you to your regular programming.